This all-in-one Amazon FBA software is designed to help sellers at every level streamline their operations, make data-driven decisions, and scale efficiently. Let me walk you through exactly why Helium 10 is the go-to software for Amazon FBA sellers and how it helps you build a profitable, sustainable business. Black box product research made smart. The foundation of every successful Amazon FBA business is choosing the right product. Most people fail here, but Helium 10's black box tool helps you find high demand, low competition products using real-time data. This eliminates the guesswork and helps you discover product opportunities with true profit potential. Next up is Cerebro, a keyword research and optimization tool. Once you've locked in a product, the next step is making sure people can find it. Cerebro is one of the best keyword tools in any Amazon FBA software, revealing exactly what customers are searching for. You'll know which keywords drive traffic and how to strategically use them to rank higher and get more sales. Next up is Scribbles, which is listing optimization. Your Amazon listing is your storefront and it needs to convert. Helium 10 Scribbles tool helps you create powerful listings with high-ranking keywords, compelling copy, and back-end terms that boost visibility. This is how you stand out and turn clicks into customers. Next up is inventory management. Stay in stock and stay profitable. Running out of inventory can crush your rankings and momentum. This Amazon FBA software tracks your stock levels, predicts restock times, and helps you manage cash flow so you're never over or understocked. It keeps your business running smoothly and sales consistent. There's another one called Profit Tools. Know your numbers. Revenue is nice, but profit is what matters. Helium 10's Profit Dashboard gives you a real-time look at what you're truly earning after fees, costs, and ads. This financial clarity helps you make better decisions and grow your business sustainably. We have another one called Atomic, which is automated Amazon PPC. Advertising on Amazon can either accelerate your growth or drain your budget. Helium 10's Atomic automates and optimizes your PPC campaigns, helping you get the best return on your ad spend. This is hands down one of the most valuable features in any Amazon FBA software platform. We have partnered up with Helium 10 and we offer exclusive discounts for our community. We're proud affiliates of Helium 10 and we've secured special deals for you. You can use code FreedomPass10 to get 10% off for life, or use FreedomPass20 to get 20% off your first 6 months. More tools, more savings, and more growth potential. If you're enjoying our content, learn for free on our YouTube channel. But having the best Amazon FBA software isn't enough, you need guidance too. That's why I've created a YouTube channel full of free step-by-step tutorials walking you through the entire Amazon FBA process, from research and setup to scaling and success. I cover it all for free, and no fluff here. We don't water things down. These are real, actionable strategies that you can implement the right way. Not many people give out this kind of information for free, but that's our mission at Freedom Pass, to help as many people as possible become their own boss and live life by their own terms. If you like the sound of that and you want to go even deeper, for those who want a complete blueprint, we offer a full Amazon FBA course that takes you from a beginner to an advanced seller, even if you've never sold online before. Our course breaks down the entire process, showing you exactly how to use the tools like Helium 10 and build a business that gives you real freedom. Amazon FBA is one of the few business models that lets you work from anywhere, run everything with just a laptop and internet connection. You let Amazon handle the fulfillment and customer service. That means you can focus on growing your business and Amazon handles the rest. If this sounds like the lifestyle you're working towards, then we'd love to have you in our Freedom Pass family. We've helped countless people get started, and your success story could be next. Visit myfreedompass.com Amazon FBA to learn more and join the course. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our free training content. If you're a quick learner and ready to take action, you can absolutely start making sales just by following along with our videos, no course required. Your journey to freedom starts now. Click the link, grab your Helium 10 discount and let this powerful Amazon FBA software help you build your business the smart way. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.